Hi, in today's video, I am going to share with you 5 DIY back to school gift ideas. And these can be for students or for the teachers, adults, and even for the parents. So these are mostly for women and girls, but you can do the same thing. Just take the idea, find your supplies, and make them for men and boys. Okay, so the first one is this adorable miniature little golden books storybook necklace. And all you have to do is pick up the little books. They're actual little books. And even teenagers, young adults would love to have something like this. They can wear it. I've attached a long chain to this. This can also go in their vehicle if they're a driver. It can be attached in their dorm room, on the corner of a mirror, or over the lampshade. I mean, just give it to a young person and they will put it exactly where they want to display it and show it off. No problem whatsoever. Their little creative minds will take off and they'll just absolutely love it. So this is my first DIY back to school gift idea. It's adorable. It's something unique and fun and gives them something that no one else has. And so you could make lots of these. Very, very cute. Now, we all know that the purse charms, the phone charms, the shoe charms, that has been a big trend for decades now. And so what I did is made a purse charm or a backpack charm, a tote bag charm, and again, with the storybook theme. And you can pick up these cute, adorable little miniature books at the craft store. I think I got these at Hobby Lobby. This is Alice in Wonderland. Get a keychain and then just it already comes with a little hook, and get a smaller jump ring and then add charms. So I added a hat for like the Mad Hatter. You can put an initial charm. So I put a letter on here, and I found a cute little person charm. So you can get these for boys or girls. And I got this charm off of Etsy, and then I just added some little trim to it as well, just to make it cute. But look at how adorable these are. And these are great for a teacher's gift as well. And I think younger teachers would really love this. Any teachers. They have the little books. They have Little Women. So all kinds, but literary goes right hand in hand with your school. So this is the second DIY back to school gift idea. Isn't that adorable? So these are things that can be easily made. It's not like you have to crochet it or slow stitch it or sew it on the sewing machine. Now, some of the things I'm going to show you do require that. But these, the first two, are just picking up the charms, the jewelry findings, those jump ring, the keychain, and then just putting the elements together. Very quick and easy and simple to do. And a pair of pliers, a little pair of needle nose pliers, snips, things like that, to open up the jump rings, things like that. Just minimal amount of tools is what I'm trying to show you. Okay, so next, having something for washing the face. And again, this might be for teens, young adults, teachers, is to crochet. So if you know how to crochet, some face cloths, makeup removers. So these are 100% cotton, and you can get them in organic cotton, the yarn, and then just make little facial wipes. And these can be kept in the purse, taken to school very easily. And then you have something nice that you can use to clean your face with, whatever. And then I even have made a little, like a little basket kind of a thing to put them in for a gift idea. So again, these are gift ideas. So you just make the little pouch. I made them in a couple different sizes and colors. So here's another little pouch. Used up some of the variegated yarn. Aren't these cute? And then they just fit right in the little bowl. And they can set these on their bathroom counter. They can, it's so soft, put the whole thing in their purse. And then the next item I'm going to show you is a little pouch. And actually, like, one of these could go in the pouch, and this could be a whole gift. So now this can be a cell phone holder. This could be a pencil or pen pouch, money holder, a personal care items holder. And it's very easy to make. And then just use Velcro. No zipper to attach, no buttons and buttonholes to fiddle with, just Velcro. And you just sew the Velcro and make the pouch for whatever size. And isn't this a fun retro material? I just love this. And then this one is more for the adults. So for the teachers, and it has a wine, W-I-N-E, theme on here. Just like wine, I get better with age. So just another cute little thing. This one, I didn't put the Velcro, but again, whatever they want to keep in here is, money, a smaller phone, any number of things, your pencils. And then here's one in a really cute fall theme. Again, made with Velcro. And this one I haven't sewn the other corner. And it's very easy. So I lined it with felt, fabric on the outside, and then you just turn it inside out like this. And so I sewed down this side. Now I'm going to sew down this side. And then when you're done, you just turn it back around, inside out, quick like a bunny, very easy to do. And then the Velcro is your closure. So 3 nice ideas for holding the phone, pens and pencils, personal care items. Very nice idea. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the 5th one is like a traveler's notebook idea, a field notes. So students, a lot of times they take them on field trips. They're making them be observant. And so you can make them cute little traveler's notebooks. And this is made on a window envelope that came in the mail. So the mail bills and other kinds of things, and they'll have another envelope for you to send back your payment or whatever. Here's the window there. And I just took a piece of card stock and then covered it inside and out. And then added the paper. Very easy to do. So, you can, and then I added kind of like a mini junk journal, added some decorative papers in here as well. But isn't this a really cute idea? So again, for them to make notes in, take it on field trips, whatever their little class assignment is, these are also great teacher's gifts. So just think about how beautiful this would be. So the beginning of the year teacher gift, end of the year teacher gift, any kind of a gift during the year for their classmates, for whatever's going on. And then this front little pocket, I cut a slit here in the front, and then I made a cute little tag that slides in and out of this. Isn't that cute? And I do have a tutorial here on my channel showing you how to make one of these. Okay, and then last but not least, a bonus item is another cute little pocket Fields Notes Traveler's Notebook insert. This could be put inside of a traveler's notebook. Okay, now this one is made with a paper napkin. So again, tutorial here on my channel. I used the sewing machine, sewed it into place, used digital papers, printed those out, lined on one side, solid on the other side, but napkin inside and out. Isn't this pretty? Look at how pretty that is. And then for the front, another little pocket. I used a little small miniature doily. I used more of the napkin, and I used an empty tea bag holder. Okay, and then I made a little pocket out of it and put a little tag in there. Isn't that cute? Look at how adorable that is. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 with a bonus of DIY back to school gift ideas. Cute as can be, very inexpensive, very affordable, very easy to make, very thoughtful, that any young one, young at heart, the teacher, the student, the parents would love. All you need to do is adjust the patterns for the recipient. So these would be obviously perfect for women. This is a fall theme. This could be for a man. And just pick out more masculine. If it's a younger boy student, then pick out something that's more to their level. What do they like? That kind of a thing. Whatever's popular that you have on hand. Very easy to do. The same thing with the little books. This is Little Mermaid. All kinds of these little books. Just look them up. And very affordable, inexpensive. You can buy them in sets. That's what I did. Bought them in sets. There's like a Pinocchio. So many of them. I have them over here. Aladdin. Yes, I have Aladdin, Mickey, Bambi. So a nice variety that you can come up with. So I hope you enjoyed this 5 DIY back to school gift ideas. And now I am going to invite you to check out my friend Linda over at Icky Chic. And she's going to be sharing with you some great tips on how to find thrift shopping supplies for craft ideas. And this series is going to continue here on my channel with this whole everyday, thoughtful DIY gifts that you can make for men, women, and children any time of the year. So this is number 3 in the series. The first 2 were for men and with back to school supplies that I picked up. So I hope you're enjoying this series. And if you are, please subscribe to my channel, Markets of Sunshine. Help me to grow and help me to reach my goals here. Help me to keep inspiring others. And if this has inspired you and helped unlock your creativity, then let me know that in the comments. And don't forget to like this video so others will help them to find me as well. Share it with your friends. And all of that helps me to get found in search. And I will appreciate that greatly, so much. Thank you, Annette, for sharing my last video on your Facebook page. I greatly appreciate that. Thank you, Tilly and Regina and Rachel and others I will give a shout out in my next video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And that really helps me. And I really thank you from the bottom of my heart. So stay safe, keep creating in the sunshine, and don't forget to watch the next video here on my channel. And if you do go over to Linda's channel, be sure to let her know that you found her from watching my video, and she's going to be inviting people to come back and watch my video here. So thank you again, and I really appreciate all of you. Bye-bye.